Welcome to the project demonstration of vehicle speed control and accident avoidance system by using PIC microcontroller. So here we are going to use the two ultrasonic sensors. One is a front side and there is a back side. So whenever the obstacle is directed at the respective side, then the system will apply the brake by isolating the power supply to the DC motors by using this electromagnetic relay. So the direction of this vehicle will be set with the help of this switch. So forward motion and the backward motion. So after we switch on the kit only, then only this system will allow the power supply to the DC motors. So we have interfaced the two ultrasonic sensors at PIC 16F72 microcontroller. The front side one is at the A0 and A1 and B0 B1 for this sensor, and the LCD display will continuously show the distance of obstacle in respective side on this LCD screen directly. And we are using a 12 volt 1 amp battery, which is rechargeable battery, and in order to recharge the battery, just by using this charging circuit, connect the B at this B slots and then on the power supply to the transformer. So then the 230 volts AC will be stepped down to the 12 volts AC, and after this charging circuit it will convert it to the 12 volts DC, which is a charging voltage for our 12 volt 1 amp battery. So it will take 6 hours to be fully charged. After that, these diodes will block the current flow if you forgot to off the power supply to the charging also. And then after time completion, you can just isolate the power supply to the charger, and this is the main on off switch for the kit. Right, so this is the front side now and this is the back side. So when we on the kit, means the relay on means we can control the vehicle back and front. Okay, and on LCD display we can see the distance also, front obstacle. So when the obstacle is less than the 30 centimeters, then automatically the relay will get switched off and normal relay will get switched on. So we can see the same LED indication whenever the obstacle is detected. Okay, and now, so when we are controlling the vehicle, right, obstacle detected, automatically the vehicle stopped again. Stops automatically. So in this manner, we are going to control the vehicle speed based on the obstacle detection to avoid them in order to prevent the accidents. So coming to the ultrasonic sensor working principle, so it has the two modules. One is the transmitter module and there is the receiver module. So the transmitter will emit the ultrasonic waves, and whenever any obstacle is placed in front of that, so the surface of the obstacle will reflect those transmitted ultrasonic waves. So the receiver module will receive the reflected ultrasonic waves and it will trigger the microcontroller. So based on this trigger time, so means controller will trigger the transmitter first, so then it will capture the time and it will wait for the trigger from the receiver module. So as we know the sound speed, and we will get the timing from the receiver module. So means how much of time it will take to receive the reflected waves. Okay, so the speed into time we will get the distance. So if the distance is less than 30 centimeters, it's considered as an obstacle, and we are going to isolate the power supply to the motors by using this electromagnetic relay. So the major components in our project are two ultrasonic sensors, LCD module, PIC 16F72 motherboard along with microcontroller, and electromagnetic relay, and a switch to control the direction of the vehicle. And the two DC motors are attached for the vehicle movements, the back side. So the motor ratings are 12 volt 1 amp 30 rpm DC motors we are using directly here.